Hello everybody. Welcome to the market views update for 16th July 2018 from Brokerage Free. Let's have a look at the important points from the last week's trading session. The markets ended on a slightly bearish note on Friday. Foreign institutional investors sold shares worth about 1,104 crores. Domestic investors bought shares worth about 872 crores. Infosys results were out as of last Friday, and Infosys Q1 results were that their profits were up by 3.7% to 3,612 crores. Infosys has issued a 1:1 bonus for their shares. Bajaj Corporation Q1 results profits fell to rupees 53.76 crores versus rupees 54.97 crores. The revenue increases to 221 crores from 197.43 crores compared to last year. PC Jewelers, the board decides to withdraw the buyback offer of 1:1 crore shares with 1.21 crore shares with immediate effect. Let's have a look at Nifty. Nifty opened at 11,056 and closed at 11,018. Nifty made an intraday high of 11,071 and a low of 10,999. The market swung by about 72 points. The markets closed by about 4.3 points down from the previous day close of 11,023. Support levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 10,991 and 10,961. Resistance levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 11,057 and 11,098. Support levels for Bank Nifty is around 26,862 and 26,784. Bank Nifty resistance levels are at 27,058 and 27,176. Let's have a look at long buildup. Long buildup happens when people open long positions, because of which the price and the open interest, both of them, increase. Here we see Adani Port, the change in open interest of about 16.62%, which is a very good number. However, the price increase was marginal, which is about 0.2%, which is about 1 rupee 5 paise. Infosys appeared on the list with a change in open interest of 8.36% and a percentage change of 1.78% in its price, which is 23.05 rupees. Infosys results were out as of Friday, and markets should react positively to the results and should probably go up today. Wipro also had a change in interest, open interest of 6.47% with a marginal difference of its price, which is about 0.05%. Reliance Industries had a change of open interest of 3.81% with the percentage change of 1.61 rupees, closing at 1,099. Sorry. Maruti Suzuki, Bharat Petroleum, Ultratech, Asian Paints, all of them appear on this list as well. So, if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are opening long positions in these stocks. Let's come to long unwinding. Long unwinding happens when people close their long positions. So, the price and the open interest, both of them, decrease. Vedanta Limited had a change in open interest of 5.57% and a change of 0.45% in its price, which is roughly about 1 rupee. HCL Technologies had a change in open interest of 4.75% and a percentage change of 2.26%, which is 22.7 rupees. So the rest of the stocks, the change in open interest is less than 1%, and the price difference is notable only for Dr. Reddy's Labs and Bharati Infratel. The remaining changes in price were marginal and not too significant. Short buildup happens when people open short positions, and because of which the price decreases but the open interest increases. Here we see a couple of stocks above actually 10%, which is UPL with a change in open interest of 12.98, close to 13%, and a percentage change of 3.38%, which is 19.4 rupees. Z Industries has a change in open interest of 11.21% and with a percentage change of 4.67%, which is 24.9 rupees. Grasim Industries and ITC also have significant change in open interest with 4.57 for ITC and 5.18 for Grasim Industries respectively. The change in prices for Grasim is 2.59%, which is 24.85 rupees. For ITC, it is 2.45% in its price, which is 6.8 rupees. The remaining shares, there are roughly about 4 shares remaining in this list, which are about 2% on exchange in open interest. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are opening short positions in these stocks. Short covering happens when people close their short positions, because of which the price marginally increases but the open interest decreases. HDFC Bank, there are about 4 stocks with change in open interest of above 2%. HDFC Bank, Titan, Bajaj Finserv and Kotak Mahindra Limited. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are closing the stock short positions in these stocks, and which means that these stocks should be back to normal. Any price increasing in these stocks should be marginal. Let's have a look at the world markets. The American markets, Dow Jones was up by 0.38%, the S&P 500 up by 0.11%. Canada was more or less the same, with only a marginal difference of 0.01% down. Mexico was up by down by 0.6%. Brazil was up by 0.97%, and Chile up by 0.41%. England, the European markets, all of them ended on a positive note as of last week. England was up by 0.14%, Europe up by 0.4%, France up by 0.43%, Germany up by 0.38%, and Switzerland up by 0.49%. The Asian markets, Japanese markets ended on a positive note with 1.85% up. Hong Kong markets closed down by 0.31%. China down by 0.84%. Mumbai Sensex and NSE Nifty was down by about 0.02 and 0.04%. Singapore Nifty at the time of preparing this report was down by 2.5 points, which is roughly 0.02%. If this is to give any indication, the market should open at around the same range and probably be range bound today. Let's see how the markets evolve there. Thank you for watching this edition of Market Views Update from Brokerage Free. Invest wisely for a better future. Good luck with your trades. Thank you.